Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. This is me, Iman Fatma, and today you will learn about types of pronoun, and we will discuss one type in this lesson. But before we do so, we first need to know what a pronoun is. So let's get started. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. For example, Sparrow is a good boy. Here, Sparrow is a noun. He gets up early in the morning. In this example, the word he is a pronoun which takes the place of a noun, Zubair. We don't have to mention Zubair again. What are types of pronoun? Types of pronouns are subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, intensive pronouns, relative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. And this lesson is about subject pronoun. So what is a subject pronoun? Subject pronoun work as the subject of the verb in a sentence. A subject pronoun normally replaces the subject or object of the previous sentence. In other words, a subject pronoun is a pronoun that does the action in a sentence. For example, he has gone to his grandparents. In this example, the word gone is the action, it's a verb, and he does the action. It is therefore a subject pronoun. Aisha made some cakes. They look tasty. Here the subject pronoun they replace the object cakes of the previous sentence. So they is a subject pronoun because it replaces the object of the previous sentence. She lost weight by cutting out junk food. She is a subject pronoun. They drank water from a spring and they is a subject pronoun. Lahore is in Pakistan. It's a nice place to visit and it is a subject pronoun. So I, we, they, you, he, she and it are different subject pronouns. Can you identify the subject pronoun here? The first sentence is Dash hit the ball so hard that his shoe came off. And the options are she, they and he. Fill this blank by these words. You can have ice cream after dash finish your dinner. And the options are we, you and it. Dash is raining again. It, she and he are the options. Here are your answers. If you like this lesson, give it thumbs up by hitting like button and subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button to get my latest lessons. Thank you for watching me. I will be back soon inshallah with another video. Thank you.